How to create a Rockstar Games account for GTA 5. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can sign up or create a Rockstar Games account for the GTA 5 game. It's very, very simple. But before you go ahead and proceed, make sure that you have a working email address because it's going to be linked or Rockstar Games will provide you an OTP for you to be able to verify the account. So pull up your preferred web browser and type in Rockstar Games, choose on the very first result. So this is the official site for Rockstar Games. What you want to have to do here is to click this profile icon, and then of course choose on sign up. Now what you will see is to fill this out like your age. So say for example the 20th. I'm just gonna have to fill this out first for you to be able to proceed on the next step by adding your credentials. Now tick this box, choose on next, and then from here, you're going to have to use your working email address, your preferred password, and then your nickname, and then the country or region where you're at. And then this is going to be optional. You can have it turned on. If you turn this on, you will receive news and promotional messages from Rockstar Games and its affiliates. But you can also have this off. Now, once you have completed all of these, just simply choose on next, and then Rockstar Games will provide you a one-time password via the email address that you use here. You simply copy the code and paste it here, and you have a Rockstar Games account for GTA 5. That's it. That's how you create an account for Rockstar Games or GTA 5.